Hi, my name is Dave Frichte. I'm the Director of Golf Course and Grounds for Pine Needles and Mid Pines, and today we're planting the greens mini verde on Mid Pines. This is our first step of today of planting. We got the greens in shape. We got all the contours where we want them. Enlarged some of the greens out to where Donald Ross had them before, and we've smoothed them out, put all of our pre-plant material on and water them in and getting ready for Sprigs. And like I said, this is step one of this is phase two, where guys, you see there's several guys out there shaking the Sprigs onto the greens and to be planted with a planter in step three. You can see this is step number three of the process of planting the greens. We're taking a planter. It's cutting in the Sprigs and rolling it, and it'll help smooth them out and get the Sprigs down into the mix of the green surface. Here we are, step four. You see Isaac on the roller here rolling the Sprigs into the ground and getting better contact for the root mass to get stuck into the mix on top. And that's what Isaac is doing right there, is rolling that root mass into the ground to get a better contact.